So magnetic dipole moment. In moving charges and magnetism, magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron we are discussing. I am explaining that revolving electron also constitute a current. Along with that current, magnetic field is also produced due to that rotation. Consider an atom having one electron, E minus E, revolving in a anti-clockwise direction. You can see over that. And in the middle of that, that is a nucleus having plus Ze charge. Electron moving in circular orbit of radius r, constituting a current as well as magnetic field around it. We are discussing about that magnetic moment expression here. So here comes to be as the first thing. After drawing the diagram, you need to describe it in your own words. As I said just now, consider circular, or consider an atom in which plus Ze charge is present in the nucleus and electron E is revolving in anti-clockwise direction. The orbit radius is r. It is moving with a velocity v. It's moving with a velocity v. It constitutes a current. The charge moving in a circular path, that is in orbit, it constitutes a current that is given by I is equal to E by T. We studied before also. What is current formula? I is equal to Q by T. Here small e represents the charge on electron, capital T represents the time period. What is time period? The time taken by the electron to complete one rotation or revolution in its orbit. So we have taken that capital T. Call it as equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. So if r is the orbital radius, we described in the beginning only. If r is the orbital radius and its speed is v, then according to your time period formula, 2 pi r by v. 2 pi r is the circumference, v is its speed. Electron revolving with the velocity v, it is covering a distance of 2 pi r in a circular orbit and it is taking the time equal to time period. So there is a relation between these all. From the basic, speed is equal to distance by time. So similarly here 2 pi r, fine. So 2 pi r by v it is. So 2 pi r by v, substitute from equation 1. What do we need to substitute here? This time period you substitute in equation number 1. This time period you substitute in your equation number 1 here in the equation number 1 in the denominator. You can see over there. Fine, substitute in that T. That only did here. Check well. So I is equal to, here I is equal to E by T I should write. So E as it is. In the denominator T is there. So complete T term is in denominator 2 pi r by v. Then next step, it get multiplied in the numerator. So magnetic moment of a revolving electron is given as, magnetic moment of revolving electron is considered to be as m is equal to Ia. They are not talking about n here. N represents number of turns. Here I am talking only about one orbit. So n is equal to 1. So m is equal to Ia. N is equal to 1 I said. So m, magnetic moment, is equal to Ia. I is the current, A is the area of a circular wire or orbit here what we have taken. So m is equal to, just substitute, they are talking about here Ia. M is equal to, what is I value from equation? I value from equation. So write that from this equation. It becomes EV by 2 pi r and into A as it is, and A is considered to be as pi r square, area of a current carrying wire, but here it is an orbit. Here it is an orbit. So pi r square. 2 pi, pi r and pi r 1 get cancelled, r remains here. In next step we get EVR by 2, call it as equation number 2. M is equal to EVR by 2. Excuse me, M is equal to EVR by 2, since area of this orbit is considered to be as pi r square. So then the direction of this magnetic moment is to the plane of, into the plane of the paper. It is inside, magnetic field is inside. If it is taken like this, the magnetic field is inside, it is going like this, fine, in the paper. So then next, dividing this equation 2, dividing and multiplying with m. So it is easier for us. Divide and multiply with m. Divide and multiply with me. When you divide and multiply with me to the equation number 2, you get MVR separated keeping E in the sidewise, where MVR meaning is angular momentum of the revolving electron. So that is represented by L. So EL by 2ME. E is charge on electron, L is angular momentum, that is equal to MVR, and small m represents the mass on electron and 2 is a constant. This is an expression for magnetic moment. Fine. So magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. Magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. Try to understand well enough. Magnetic moment of a dipole. Fine. Of a revolving electron. This is about your today's topic, which is repeatedly asked for 5 marks. Which is repeatedly asked for 5 marks. I'm repeating it because it is important for 5 marks. So I'm just explaining it once again, what you need to write it. Understand well enough and keep it in your mind what should be written for 5 marks. Okay. Consider an electron of mass Me moving in an orbit of radius r with a velocity v, having the Ze as its nucleus charge, and it is revolving in a time period t. It constitutes a current I, that is written as I is equal to E by T. Then the magnetic. So this description I have given already. It's not required to write it here. If you write before only, then the time period can also be written as T is equal to 2 pi r by V. 2 pi r is the distance covered by electron in a time period T with the velocity V. Then substitute this T in the first equation, in the current equation. So we have substituted and just simplify and say that what is magnetic moment of a revolving electron we are finding. What is magnetic moment of any charge? That M is equal to Ia. Substitute the I value. Substitute the A value as pi r square. Then what are getting cancelled? What remains, you know, EVR by 2. Then finally the direction of the magnetic field is into the paper. So minus we are taking, they are saying about. Minus we are taking. So the finally multiply with M, small m. Don't forget, don't get confused. Capital M is magnetic moment, dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment. Small m is mass on electron. So capital M comes to be as after multiplying with the small m, 2me by me EVR. So divide and multiply we did, not to disturb your equation. So MVR we want. MVR is taken to be as an angular momentum. After separating that angular momentum, we are writing it as a L. So we get the final expression as magnetic dipole moment M is equal to minus EL by 2ME minus EL by